Hello guys, welcome to Tashi's vlog. I just came from peeling school after collecting Batuli's report card, and I'm getting ready because I'm going to peeling Batti. Not exactly peeling, but we have to go down like peeling the Kinpure Tolasa. That's called like almost near Rimbi area. So we are going to peeling Batti for the cardamom harvesting. Since it's cardamom harvesting time, so we'll be just going to our village area and we'll be collecting a cardamom there. And meanwhile, I'll be showing you all the process of how the cardamom harvesting is done. Okay, so it's very cold actually. It's raining cats and dogs past 2-3 days. That's why you can see me in this puffer jacket. It's very cold. Like temperature dropped down drastically after the rain. Otherwise it was too hot. You guys must have noticed the sharp temperature drop after the incessant rainfall. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to wear today. It's very cold, so I'm just wearing a jacket, and this Chelsea boot is actually very comfy, especially in this rain, and it's a pretty long walk from the road, so just gonna prep myself up in a very comfy shoe. Oh god. There's a slight change of plan. I'm not going to wear Chelsea boots because my brother said this is a very uncomfortable and it's going to be quite risky to wear Chelsea. It's going to be very slippery. There's both uphill and a downhill walk. So I'm just going to wear my hiking shoes. Okay. Done with the laces, and now I'm completely geared up for long hike and cardamom harvest. It's a large cardamom, by the way, and I hope I don't slip and fall. But no, I don't think so, because I'm like kind of used to walking because of my sight walk daily. Okay, we are going and we'll come back. Okay, wait for mama. Okay, we'll buy some chips for today's outing. Huh? Should be भनेको छुर्पी भनेको त तल अलैँची हुन्छ, अलैँची खानुहुन्छ नि मलाई हो ल त्यसो भए बोक्दा हुन्छ नि
छुर्पीसँग चाहिँ साह्रै एडिक्ट भएको छु आजकल राज भएको बट्टा चुठाउनु मन लागि
and the rain hasn't stopped yet. There's a long hike, there's a long walk from here. We have carried tea and chips, some akabare and all to have with tea. So yeah, we've called some fellow to get the food as well, which we got for the God, it's raining cats and dogs. Oh. So brother has got some stuff for them. Okay. We'll just hand over the stuff and I'll carry my bag. This is the road that we came from. Oh god, let's start with the hike now, huh? जुत्ताको त हालत हेरिन सक्दो हुन्छ होला भरे त. Oh my god. Oh. हो नि है, कसले कुट्यो तिमीलाई? मै we had come before last year, right? Amiru, 2023 ma aएको छ हामी. Hey, no, in 2022. Yeah.
उताबाट
यस्तो अन्धेरो देख्नु थाल्यो. I think it's just 1:30 like that. You know, ni bhai talla pugisakyo. God.
अलैँचीको बिचबाट जाँदो रहेछ है
Bhagwan ko to taro. Ayo. If it was not raining, then it would have been much easier. Actually, we were planning to bring Elsa also, huh? Hui. Still so fresh alaichi. Atta. So dragdo. Ambo. It's so exciting. Like, it's so refreshing also. Gam like Babuni, it would have been so difficult, no? It would have been too hot. This sort of bato to this sort of dolo, right? God, I'll just show you my shoe condition. Oh God. Ambo that. Mira kutta. Achoo. Oh God. Kutta don't let push your pani video. Paita, you walk so fast, no? Oh my God. It's not. See the weather? It's looking so beautiful, no? It's looking perfect. Patu Mamu, enjoying? This is kyo bhatti ho yo? Yo cha G ko ghar. G ghar means?
Where you stay while harvesting cardamom.
Okay, so Appa has been staying here, right? Bhai pani yahi baseko thiyo na? He was also here like last month, no? Not last month, sorry, last week. He was staying here in this house. Sunum sundan so. Okay, my brother is saying that this is a place where we can take shelter, you know, while harvesting, because it is not a one-day process. It takes weeks like that. So this is the place where they stayed. Okay. And we have another mile to cover. Huh? The road is very steep. Like now, the road is very steep. I think I have to keep my phone inside, otherwise I'm gonna slip and fall. Tabago naam la?
La.
Tabago ming la?
Tindup.
Tindup. Okay, so we are taking out the crop. Right? So all of it this. Okay, he's putting in the basket. Let me show you the basket. Okay. This is a large cardamom. Kiko breed, oh? If you're not audible enough. And from here, like, we'll have to take out all the cardamoms. This is maybe the nest or whatever we call that, a cocoon sort of thing, where we take out the cardamom. And last time we had taken, last year we were there to take out. यो है त म पनि चाख्छु अलिकति Oh my god, this raw cardamom is like so yum. I don't know, I'm just addicted to cardamom. Like after having meal, I have a habit of having cardamom, you know, almost on a regular basis, which is actually not good, but I can't help it. I'll just show you the view from here. Oh god, my phone is just filled with water. There's another D-bar. Oh, yeah, Niro. From here, there's a steep cliff. Have to be very careful while walking. Picked out in a sack. They're just plucking out all the crops from the land. This is the cardamom field. Oh god. Oh. That's the batti up there. Batti means like the place where we dry the cardamom. The one with the roof, blue roof. Oh, he's showing the land.
The field, cardamom field, is from that stretch, no?
Oh.
That stretch, behind that there's a field. From there, it goes up to the place where you just recorded before. Like the D ghar, the D house and all, no?
Yeah, yeah.
That entire terrain, and it goes like this. Above that particular stretch. It spreads up to this, up there. Till it goes down like this, and below that there's a small cliff, and below that area we also have another field where the caretaker, no, खोला त उतै खोला त दूरको बाटो त्यो चाहिँ यापोले हेर्ने चाहिँ यहाँदेखि तल एक डिग्री चाहिँ यापोले हेर्छ त्यहाँ हो यहाँदेखि यता माथि चाहिँ सबै जानकारी लेखेको छ अध्यायमा सबै अघिको एरिया भयो यो एरिया due to too much of sun exposure to cardamom.
Apata, he's been here almost. It's been almost 2 days since he's been here. Hey, Saila दाजु पनि आएको थियो आपासँग साथी. This is the batti. Okay, where we dry the cardamom. Hello, Appa. Anta, how's it going?
Yeah, it's
Dummy.
quite fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice. But rainy day.
Like,
Rainy and
how's the harvest this year?
so more, but not so bad.
It's like average, I think, no?
Yeah, average.
Like. And the bhai ko to kasto pati asti experience, eh? You were here almost for like 4-5 days, eh?
Yeah, I came here. That's down there. That D is another D.
Okay, bhai was not here actually. He was in another field.
त्यो डीमा चाहिँ यहाँदेखि तल जानुपर्छ त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ बोकेर आउनुपर्छ उकालो
So he carried all. भाइले आफै बोकेर आएको पछि त. He carried himself, no? Bhai and Angi was there. Whole night. Whole night. Yes. Hello, Kuzampo.
राति
Kashi dile.
8 बजे रातिको 8 बजे बोकेर
Shini. Shini Batuli is already and sorry some.
This is यसलाई चाहिँ तपाईको this is called bhatti यसमा चाहिँ त्यो plucked cardamom especially ripe cardamom चाहिँ we put it in the furnace consisting of भित्र नेट हुन्छ जाली त्यो जालीमा चाहिँ यो राख्नुपर्छ तपाईको हो साइड साइडमा all over border एरियामा काठले सपोर्ट दिएको छ so that it won't shatter or get त्यो बाउन्ड्रीबाट बाहिर नजाओस् भनेर चाहिँ यसरी राखेको हुन्छ अन्त यो चाहिँ तपाईको मुनिपट्टि चाहिँ there's a यो चुला जस्तो छ it's a furnace basically where we put logs huge logs हाल्नुपर्छ ठुलठुलो मुरा हाल्नुपर्छ त्यो मुरा चाहिँ बोलेर चाहिँ तपाईको हिट चाहिँ त्यो तातेको हिट चाहिँ स्मोक स्मोकले चाहिँ यो सुकाउनुपर्छ. It is a very tedious, lengthy process to dry up cardamom. It takes almost 1 day जस्तो लाग्छ एक लट सुकाउनु. जुन चाहिँ एक लट चाहिँ तपाईँको अब काँचो हेऱ्यो भने राइप कार्डेमम चाहिँ कति हाल्नुपर्छ भने लाइक 12 स्याक 50 kg स्याकको 12 members 50 kg स्याकमा त्यतिमा भरेर चाहिँ हालेर चाहिँ सुकेर चाहिँ it becomes approx 2 sacks हुन्छ ड्राई कार्डेमम which is ready to go. मुनिपट्टि चाहिँ furnace छ. You can show the furnace below down there where the heat smoke is produced from.
Top damage nearly the same. How much you know? Parashi damage. You know, buy this one. Not condition, not clear.
The body now will have tea.
Ako sutra. La rakhi de एउटा.
We're having warm cup of tea. Yeah, pa. Sheja.
Today I got the good tea.
Oh my God, you got a tea.
Lich.
Chini, bapre. Shit, man. कस्तो खाल्यो.
Okay, nice tea. After a long time, I got tea.
आमलाको हातको आफूलाई पनि पुरा मिस हुँदैछ होला.
Thank you, Batli.
आमला
Okay, thank you. Who got the tea again?
आफूलाई चाहिँ दिनु.
We are having some tere-mere. Cheers to the warm cup of tea in this rainy season. Best of luck. राम्रोसँगले जानुस् है. लड्नुहुन्छ है बाटोमा. बिस्तारै बिस्तारै जानुस्. ल जानुस्.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go.
यो चाहिँ तपाईको अलैँची फिन्जाको टाइममा चलाउँदै गर्नुपर्छ. कतिवटा सुकेको हुँदैन, कतिवटा कम्ती सुकेको हुन्छ, कतिवटा बेसी सुकेको हुन्छ. त्यसलाई चाहिँ मिलाउँदै पन्साउँदै हलाउँदै सुकाउनु पर्छ. साह्रो छ. धुवाले बिचोक हुन्छ. यो भिडियो बनाउनु साह्रो पर्छ धुवा बेसी आएर. आँखा पोलेर बिजोक छ. साह्रो छ.
अब सक्नु आँटेको चाहिँ यो सबै हो छरेर because my brother was here for quite a few days and my dad was here. So now this is the last stock. Okay, that will harvest. Yo, we मैले चाहिँ सबै पऱ्यो नि. Okay, this is the dried cardamom. कस्तो सुकुन भयो खाएर. है? बिकज अनि बाटुलीलाई पनि पुरा आदत लागेको छ हो. In one ton we have almost 150 perfect seeds. In one stack we almost have 10 seeds. Right? I don't know what we call this. Hive or something. होइन हुन्छ. यो यसलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ आप? यसलाई यो जुन चाहिँ यसको यो चाहिँ बोट खोस्टा. यो खोस्टा हो. ओके, वी कल दिस खोस्टा. यति निस्क्यो. back. Okay. Again we have to climb all the way up till the road. Apa तपाईँ कहिले आउनुहुन्छ? Okay, so he'll be coming back almost I think day after. Okay, so let's head now. Nas, good luck. ल सुन्छ बाई. खोइ हजुर छ त खोइ यो चाहिँ अलैँची खाएको रहेछ खोइ अलैँची जुन दिन्छ चलो Look at the guavas. है गुवाभाहरू है हो काँचो अम्बक त मिठो हुन्छ त खानु है ए अघि टिपेर खानु सकेछ ए चाहिँ यम टिपेर खानु मिठो देख्दै त्यो बाल्टीको पानी सबै थियो होला नि है मैले त्यहीँ पखालेँ
पिसाब गर्छ है त्यसमा बिर्सेको
नखाँदा न बटुलिज मस्ट स्ट्यान्ड मजा रहेछ काँचो अम्बकै मिठो हुन्छ नि पुरा रहेछ बनाउनु अझै भयो टिपिसक्यो भित्र छ अन्दामा देख्न के भगवान् ओ माई गॉड आइया त्यो चिप्लेको यो दाग पनि बसिरहेको रहेछ खोइ हो भाइ कहाँ गयो we got late while plugging up the guavas. Bye bye until next time. I think we have lost our way. Chini कहाँ पो थियो ला यो बाटोमा हिँड्नु रहेछ हिँड्दा we got lost actually in the way and thankfully there was one lady who helped us. Okay, we just asked the path to cross the stream and we found the way. Chini कस्तो हराइयो हामी त बाटै है भाइले छोडेर गयो कि हरेस बहिनी stretch. After this I'll be in the road. God, finally I thought that was the last part but no, I had to walk another mile or so. Oh my god, oh, Batul is like so slow. She really needs to catch up. Then I have to climb up. Oh god, so I'm completely drenched as you can see from head to toe. Thank God the cap portion is dry, but then other than that I'm completely drenched. In spite of the umbrella that I'm carrying, I don't think it was of any use. Oh, I'm slopping, I'm just dripping wet. I'm just craving for some warm cup of tea right now. God. But it was a great hike after ages. And the guava too was so yum. To take off the leeches also, there were like quite a few number of leeches. Finally, I can see the people. Whew. Thank God, I'm much relieved. Hello.
Hello.
Which school?
Cardamom Primary School.
Cardamom Primary School?
Yes.
Okay, which class are you in?
1, 3, 5, 2.
And the Gorje, where is it? Where are your homes?
Yata Ailakama.
Ailakoma? Ambo. Bakar chuti bhako tapaiko? Okay. Say hello.
Hello.
Subscribe to Tashi's vlog.
Subscribe to Tashi Vlog.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Annai. This chocolate, राम्रो रहेछ ट्रेन्ड कता रहेछ त यस्तो हालत भइरहेको छ पहिले म त घरमा गएर जस्ट वान्ट टु टेक बाथ हो मजाले Yeah. आगे महिला चाहिँ को भन्नुभयो तपाईँले
माथि हाम्रो काँसो लामाको
ए कसो लामा त हाम्रो आज नै पढ्नुहुन्छ नि लै आजकै यस्तो उयो आजकै आफ्नो आफ्नो आफन्तहरू पढ्नुहुन्छ
थाङ्ना कहाँ गएछ पहिला थाङ्ना
बाप्रे पुरा सिक्सिक भयो म त बस्नु हेर्नु नि लुगा पुरा पानी पानी भएर यस्तो छ बाटो सिट सेकेन्ड सिटको निकाल्यो है किन के भन्दैछ
ऐना बेसी नखुल्नु
पुराको छाता ल्याउनु भएन
खजुर
याबु छाता पठाएन
छाता पठाइदिँदैछ
ए नल्याएको राम्रो
राम्रोसँगले बस्नुहोस् है
नै
राजकुमार होइन तपाईँको नाम
नै
शैला आका राजकुमार
पानी नै भिजेको
राम्रो थियो कि शैला रहेछ क्यामेरामा
कुमार
हो
क्यामेरा राम्रो देख्दैछ के हो हुन्छ देख्दैछ साइनले
ल
क्यामेरामा त
राम्रो देख्दैछ तपाईँलाई हुन्छ
एकको देख
बिस्तारै जानु अब
ए ल
हुन्छ ल
ह्यान्डसम देख्दैछ
That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. This was altogether a cardamom experience for you all. I hope you all enjoyed my content. And if you really like my video, don't forget to like and please do share, subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. If you haven't,
do share, subscribe
किन त्यो सोच्यो त्यस्तो आएको
and ring the के भन्छ bell icon.
press the bell icon.
Please press the bell icon of Tashi's vlog. See you. Hasta la vista la kudos.
Bye bye.
तपाईँ मेरो के छ डल्लै चिसो भएछ है टुप्पो टुप्पो पनि चिसो भएछ तपाईँ मेरो
त्यही त छ
छाताले गर्दा